Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel D Creations Resources. We are looking at multiple choice questions from physics and maths. Today let us tackle a question from nuclear physics. The question is about the phenomenon of radioactivity. The question is, radioactivity is a dash and dash phenomenon. So this basically talks about characteristics of radioactivity. And the options are option A, spontaneous and random, option B, stimulated and random, option C, spontaneous and predictable, and option D, stimulated and predictable. So if you know the answer, you can pause the video, write down your answer and then cross check it. If you don't know the answer, just keep watching. So basically, when you talk about radioactivity, the word spontaneous has to come there. This is a phenomenon of spontaneous disintegration, and it's a disintegration of unstable nuclei. And after disintegration, it forms more energetically stable nuclei. So it's a transformation, and it's basically accompanied by the emission of ionizing radiation or particles. This is how the transformation is going to happen. And the fact that we say that it's spontaneous and not stimulated comes from the reason that we don't require any external stimulus for it. You don't require, say, thermal energy or anything for it. It occurs on its own. And another important factor about it is you can't really predict when there is going to be an emission. Or for example, there is an experiment counting statistics where we have a source like strontium with atomic number 38 and mass number 90, and beta particles, beta minus particularly, are emitted from it, and there's GM tube, Geiger-Müller tube, which is used attached to a counter, and the data is collected that okay, how many counts are there in a particular time period, and then that data is analyzed statistically. We try to understand the probability distribution, and all this comes from the fact that radioactivity is a random process. You cannot predict what is going to be or how many counts are there going to be in a stipulated time period. So when you revisit this question, you will see that option A is the correct answer. Radioactivity is a spontaneous and random phenomenon. Thank you.